My name is Farran. I run most of the X-ray stuff here in our Caledonia lab. As you can see here, this is our 420 kV cabinet. We can shoot through about 3 inches of steel with it, about 5.5, 6 inches of aluminum. And what we do mostly here is computed radiography, and I can show you on our computer. This is our scanner. This is what we put the plate into that we shoot. And these are the images that we can get. This is an example of welds. You can see here, this is a discontinuity. It's called suck back. It's a concave root surface. Here we've got some electronics. These had missing components. As you can see here, this piece is actually there. Here it's missing. Same here in all 4 components. This is another example of electronics. These are high resolution images. This wire here, you can see, is not touching this solder, but here it is. It was causing a short circuit. These were forgings that we shot. We shot about 10 to 12,000 in a week. So we can do high output, high resolution images. They're an example of a chevron is what they were looking for. Mm-hmm. These are castings, investment steel. These are very small components. We also ran about 10,000 in a week. And as you can see here, gas holes in this area. With the software, we can actually measure out, calibrate on an image plane, the size of discontinuities, distance from one edge to another. Another high resolution image of this spring here. You can see these are tightly wound where this has separation. And just some more electronics, more high resolution.
Is this eye inspection? It means it needs a person like you,
yes.
or
yeah.
So you have to actually have a good eye.
Yeah, oh yeah. There's a lot of times where small things you just really have to pay attention. And just an example of our software. This is an aluminum head that was cut up in sample pieces, and as you can see, I can scroll through the different thicknesses. And the greatest part is there's no film. I can give you all the images on a disc and give you a version of the software where you can actually do everything that I do.
Oh, that's excellent. So, customers, what do we bring to them? What's the benefit?
It's convenient. There's only a disc. There's no film. It's faster. There's not as much energy needed, and yeah, just high output, high resolution images.
And on the cost side for customers,
it's cheaper.
It's cheaper.
Yeah, film is very expensive. So the less film we use, the less we have to charge.
Good. What is the typical throughput that you have on a machine? So
it really depends on the material. For aluminum, it's very quick. It can be let down to 30, 20-second shots. For steel, it's close to 2 minutes. And depending on the size of the part or what we can fit on a film.
Good. So you're saving customers money?
Yes.
Good. And probably saving lives.
Oh yeah. There's this component here. Again, an example. This piece here was missing. And with that piece missing, if you get in a car accident, the seat can actually run forward and crush you. So, I mean, big safety components like that is really important.
Excellent. So thank you so much.
Well,